Here we are at the right gable, and what we have here is damages as this dent here, this is scratches along here, something that fall down here, but also you have these damages right here, see, right here, which is already documented. And here we still have the all-time, there's another dent right here. See? There's another dent right here. Here.